Hi, I'm Steve from the Stonecrafting Workshop. Welcome. This is a little video, a little practical video on drilling agate pebbles. I polish a lot of these in my tumble polisher, and one of the things I like to do with them is to make them into pendants. But to do that you need to be able to drill them, and drilling agate is notoriously difficult. I've got two types of drill. They're both very small. You won't be able to see them from there, but one is about 1.5 mil and is a solid diamond drill, and the other is about 2.5 mil, and that's a tiny little core drill. It's got a hole down the middle, and I'm going to try both of these. I'm going to time them, and they're going to drill a hole only about 4 mil deep, because I want to set into the top of each pendant a little eye pin, little silver eye pin that has a 4 mil pin on it. You can't see it from there, but tiny little thing. And I'm going to time them and see how they work. I'll be really interested to see, because generally speaking core drills work better than solid drills, a bit quicker. And also, generally speaking, larger drills work better, larger diamond drills work better than small diamond drills. It's a curious thing, but it's true. So this very small 1.5 mil solid diamond one, I expect to be a lot slower than the core drill, but I don't know. As I say, both the pebbles will be agate pebbles off of the beach, equally hard, and let's see how I get on. I've got two micro diamond drill bits. One of them is a solid, it's about a 1.5 mil diamond bit, and the other one is a miniature core drill, about 2.5 mil. They're not diamond coated, they're the same process as diamond coated, but the diamond is layered. So as the diamond wears out the first surface, it then gets to the second and third and fourth and so forth. So they're much better than ordinary coated drills. And what I've got two pebbles, and I'm going to drill one with the solid drill, and then I'm going to drill the other with the core drill, and I'm going to time them, and I'm just going to see if there's any difference in time, because I'm curious. Perfect. The point of the exercise was to point of the exercise was to so that I could bed an eye pin in the top of this as a pendant. It's about 4mm deep, and that now fits. And it's been 13 minutes. 13 minutes to drill one little hole. But at least you know it can be done, and you know how long. And in fact, once you know that, I was actually pleasantly surprised. Let's try it now using the little core drill. I'll fit that up and get it going. So I've now fitted this miniature core drill. So it's about 2.5mm, I'd say, 2mm, 2.5mm. And I'm going to drill a hole in the top of this pendant, and I'm going to time it. The other one took 13 minutes. Let's see how long this one takes. Same speed. A bit harder to get going. Start it at an angle and then bring it upright. And let's see. Well, this core drill feels like it's drilling a lot quicker. I've only been going about 4 minutes, and that's already to the depth of the diamond, which is more than 4mm. One slight issue, it's left the core in there, I think. Let's just offer up the little eye bolt. Oh no, that's it. Look, done. 4 minutes. I will get something in there just to break that out because it's pulling over to one side. But in actual fact, I could fit that and that would be perfectly all right. How impressive is that? 4 minutes as opposed to 13 minutes for the solid drill. But it is a bigger drill, and I've actually marked the top of the stone because it's a more aggressive thing when you start. If I do this again, I'll have to mark it with a little bullnose tool just to stop it rolling around. But that is so much quicker. So there you go. My recommendation is if you want to drill small holes in these agate type pebbles, that you use a core drill, a little core drill. It was the same price, so I reckon that's a bargain. Thank you for watching. I hope you find it useful, and I hope you start using your pebbles that you're tumbling, you know, just as, you know, to use them as pendants and key rings and what have you. You can set a pin in the end there now. And you know that if you're using a small 1.5mm solid drill, it's going to take you, you know, 12 or 13 minutes. And if you use a slightly larger core drill, it's going to take you 4 minutes. Thank you for watching. Hope it's been of some use to you. If it has, and you enjoyed watching it, more importantly, there's no great joy in watching this, but if it's useful to you, please give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more stone crafting and stone crafting ideas, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.